Hello there, I'm so glad you're here. This is part 3 of all the cool items at Dollar Tree for Halloween. Look at these spider rings, aren't they adorable? And these pails that you can put fun things in. This skeleton garland, it's got black and white skeletons on it. This 3-pack of necklaces that are bats in orange, purple, and silver. We've got this other garland with the black cat on it. It says Happy Halloween. And look at these little skull plastic mini buckets. You get 4 of those. These ghouls just want to have fun. This cool looking skeleton hand and some ghost garland. Cute. These stencils right here in different colors that would be fun to trace with different Halloween things on those. And look at these 6-pack of Slinkies that have the Halloween colors and stuff. They've got this 50-pack of spider rings. Y'all, those are so much fun to put on those plastic hands with the popcorn and put the ring on the finger. So much fun. I love those. Look at these lips. Cool. Party favors. These are mouths. They look like they make noise, like some type of noise. And they've got these pencils and different styles for Halloween. And they have just got everything you would need for Halloween. These look like they are airplanes. You can fly. 6-pack of those. And aren't these cool? These are glasses that are shaped in spider webs in different colors. I love these. These are orange party favor fabric bags. Love those. Those are always fun to put stuff in for Halloween and give out. Let's see here. We've got the other kind of bags here. And 30-pack. That's a good deal. Zippered 30-pack bags. Perfect for parties or just to put your Halloween candy in for trick-or-treaters. Zippered seal bags in different styles. Cute. Look at this. If you just want to put a pumpkin face on your pumpkin, they have different types of pumpkin faces. It looks like they just go on the pumpkin. This LED strobe light, that'd be fun to have out. These are some foam pumpkins. Cute. Fun to have. And always need this pumpkin carving kit for when you're ready to carve your pumpkin. Ceramic, what are these? These are different paints that you could use. Ceramicoat glitter ones and the Halloween colored paints. Oh, I love this. Happy Halloween trick or treat this way. So adorable. More signs for everything you might need to decorate. And down here, this is the best. The neighbors have the good candy, and then there's a hand pointing that direction. That one's popular. Look at all these different kitchen towels and the table covers for Halloween. Cool. All kinds of stuff here, y'all. Look at this. These straws that are in the black and white. The jack-o'-lantern. Look at the witch hat. It's like a crystal ball. Oh my goodness. With the little hat and the black and white straw. That's adorable. Down here, we've got these skeletons with pink and a jack-o'-lantern with a pink lid and the straw. Then here they've got these fun Halloween plates. You get 16 of them for $1.25. That's an awesome deal. That's a lot for $1.25. And look how fun those are. Then they've got all of these bowls that you could put your Halloween candy in. Different styles. They're hard to pick up here. But there are different styles of these bowls. And then they've got the black cat one. and more napkins that go with those plates. Got these cute skeleton cups and candy dishes and more cups, 4-pack right here of the plastic ones. And these are like, I guess you can put like gum in them, like bubble gum to dispense, or like Skittles. Look at these socks. Okay, they have got some really cool Halloween socks. There's some more styles over here in the pink and the orange. Love, they've got a lot of socks to choose from. Up here we've got plates to put those hors d'oeuvres on, or just to eat dinner on, or to put a cake and cupcakes, anything you would like to put on those plates. More containers for your candy. Happy Haunting in the orange container. Super cute. Looks like there's 4 different styles there. Look at this purple container with cute pumpkins. And then we got the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern container. Oh, I have never seen one of these. It is a purple witch hat. And this would be awesome to put your chips on. Oh my goodness. Or some type of cookies, anything really, any kind of food, put that in there. So much fun. They've got these black plates here, purple plates. Looks like they're kind of like with a web design. Oh, here is a kind of clear plastic, cool looking spider web container for more food. Jack-o'-lantern ones and ghosts. Let's see here. Oh, wow. This one has three different ones to put unique food or items in. Spider bowls there. Look at these little boxes that they open up. You could put some type of fun treat or thing in there. Halloween books, coloring books, spooky sticker fun, and look at the orange crepe paper for parties or just decorating your house for fun. More zipper bags. Here is some webbing, and they've got stickers and so many fun things. Oh, I haven't seen these. These are little like brooms in different colors. They got the black and the purple and the orange. Look at this skeleton. It's so cute. They've got Beware Haunted House. Look, these seems to be really popular this year, are these jack-o'-lantern and ghost hanging items. I mean, for $1.25, really awesome deals. Lots of fun signs here. This bag with the ghost on it, perfect for trick-or-treating or just giving a gift to somebody. And these cute Halloween bags. Look at these, and these are the $3 and to $5 section. These are real candles here that actually light, and they got the candlesticks right there with the skeleton, and these pumpkins with the spider web on them, and the black plush pumpkins. More candles, those are gold skeleton garland lights, and the fun, what do you call these? Look at these, 20 count of these skeleton lights. Spooktacular sign. And we've got this cat pillow with the purple eyes, and all of these metal yard signs. We've got more of the, oh my goodness, just so much of everything. Look at this. These are only $5, these welcome signs. How nice are these? I mean, for $5, they're really large. A super awesome deal. Over here, we've got the blow up. I love these blow ups. You got the skeleton. They're 4 feet tall, inflatable ghost, and a jack-o'-lantern. Spider webs that are perfect for outside. You got the micro LED curtain lights in different colors. orange and purple. We've got the Flame Glow Ghost. He glows. And micro LED curtain lights. These are purple. Got the Mist Maker. My son he would love all this stuff when he was younger. We really went all out with this stuff. We got the bat pom-poms garland and the purple teardrop lights. Got the all kinds of stuff here, like dispensers, maybe like a soap dispenser, or this is such, I mean, these are $5. Look at these super soft leggings. There's only one of these left. These must be crazy popular. Hanging ghoul. Got the wreath with the jack-o'-lanterns. Last but not least are all the candies. This year they've got different candies and different prices. So they've got the $3 ones, and then they've got the $1.25 candies, like the candy corns. So many things to choose from this year. If you've enjoyed this and you haven't seen my part 1 or part 2, go back and watch those. Dollar Tree has outdone themselves this year with all their Halloween items. If you've enjoyed this and you're not already a subscriber, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will be doing more videos. Their Christmas stuff is going to be coming out soon. And just more fun things from other stores. So please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, you are awesome. And have an awesome, amazing day. See you soon.